So if I talk about long division, and just for a second, let's pull back. You remember how we do long division, the same algorithm. Say I want to divide 20 into 631.5. Okay, 6,315. We want to use long division to divide that in. How do I do that? I say 20 doesn't go into 6, but 20 does go into 63. How many times? 3 times. Okay, so we're talking about long division. And why am I talking about long division? Because you'll see in a second, 20 times 3 is 60. Minus them, leaving us a 3. Bring down the 1. 20 goes into 31 one time. That's 20 minus. So remember successes. So this is our division algorithm, and that's why I'm reviewing long division with us. So that becomes 11. Bring down the 5. 20 goes into 115. That's 100. That is 5 times. That is 100 minus 15. Okay, we could put a decimal here, keep going, get a decimal. But remember, when you were in elementary school, they taught you about remainders, and this is important. And this is going to be a remainder, but we could write it out as 15 over 20. So we could say that 6,315 divided by 20 is equal to 315 over 20, our remainder over our divider. Okay, so here's our quotient. Our quotient is the answer after dividing. So it's 315 over 20. That's long division. That's just a little review. All of you should know that. That should be in the memory. You should know how to do long division. It's very important. Now we're going to go back to that problem we did, the first problem we just did, and we're going to do it the long division way. But you're saying, why do it the long division way? Because how simple it was to factor and simplify. It is much easier. That's a good lesson to you. When we do this, before you do long division, you always try to see, can I factor and just cancel? Okay? That's the easier way to do it. But long division, but we're going to do that problem long division because we want to practice doing our long division, because not every problem is going to be able to factor and simplify that way. So we go back to our original. We say x squared plus 5x plus 6 all over x plus 2. So we're going to divide it out, long division, x plus 2 over x squared plus 5x plus 6. Okay? Same idea. We're going to say, how many times does x go into x squared? It goes in x times. So x times x plus 2 is going to be x squared plus 2x. Remember, it's a division algorithm, so we're going to be doing successive subtractions. So subtract that, minus that. These cancel. 5x minus 2x is 3x. Bring down the 6. And we ask ourselves, how many times does x go into 3x? It goes in 3 times. Okay, so that becomes 3x. And this is 3 times 2 is 6, positive 6. But remember, successive subtractions, cancels, remainder is 0. And there's our quotient, x plus 3. And that's exactly what we got the first time, because obviously we have to get the same answers both times. Simplifying, factoring, then simplifying, or just going straight to long division. So the rest of these problems we're going to do strictly the long division way. Okay?